Do you love arts and crafts and need inspiration? Even better, do you want to conduct a science experiment? Join Seher H and combine your love of art and science by making a lava lamp. Hi, I'm Seher H and I'm going to show you how to combine your love for arts and science by making a lava lamp. So I poured the oil into a cup so that it's easier to pour it into the bottle. Now you're going to fill it up 3/4 of the way. So I filled the water bottle up with oil 3/4 of the way, and now we're going to put water, gently pour it on the top and make sure that it's almost full, not full all the way. Now we have the water in the water bottle. Now we're going to put our red food coloring, and you can use blue or purple, whatever color you'd like. I'm going to be putting about 5 to 6 drops in. Now that your food coloring drops have sunk to the bottom and when they've mixed with the water, you're going to take your fizzing tablet, break it in half, and just drop it in to the water bottle. Let's talk about how this works. The oil and water have different densities, so they don't mix. Oil is less dense than water, so it sits on top of it. The food coloring and water have the same density, so they mix together. The tablet creates carbon dioxide and is lighter than water, floating to the top. The gas brings the colored water with it to the top, and when the gas comes out of the blob, the colored water sinks to the bottom. This keeps on happening, creating a really cool bubble effect. Once the bubbles have fizzed, you can pick up the bottle and you can flip it a few times, and the effect will happen all over again.